Give yourself something to look forward to and start planning your next escape to relax, recharge, and reconnect. Beautiful destinations await to be explored. At Radisson Hotels, we are focused on providing you with the time, the space, and the place for an unforgettable and safe stay. That's why we have enhanced our procedures, creating an in-depth cleanliness and disinfection safety protocol in partnership with the worldwide leader in health and safety, SGS, to help ensure peace of mind for a memorable vacation. To meet new health and safety challenges, our guidelines include implementing physical distancing measures throughout the hotel, including pool and beach areas, improved air circulation processes, and increased cleaning and disinfection frequency, particularly of high-touch items, providing hand sanitizing stations at different locations in the hotel, and respecting strict food safety procedures. These measures will be adapted to local requirements and recommendations. What are you waiting for? Whether you dream about beaches, mountains, or historic locations, book now and rely on Radisson Hotels to make the most of the vacation you deserve.